Let's do this. Let's create a new self-concept. I want to change my self-concept, but I don't know where to start. I don't know what to do. All I know is I don't feel good about the way I view myself. I constantly judge my thoughts. I'm always stuck in negative self-talk. Nothing I do is ever good enough. So it's safe to say my self-concept needs a huge facelift. Sometimes I feel so anxious and overwhelmed. I can't think clearly. I react emotionally. I step into a version of me that I don't like. But I acknowledge this part of me. I recognize these old habits and behaviors of self-judgment. And I know I cannot create a new identity by hating the person I am today. So I choose to deeply and completely love and accept all parts of me. And I'm allowing myself to step into a new identity. It's safe to welcome this new version of me. I'm making a conscious decision to put myself on the pedestal. I'm focusing on my growth, my glow up, and my happiness. And I'm choosing to treat myself with the kindness I deserve. As I continue to love and respect myself, others will mirror that back to me. I'm worthy of love and compassion. I cannot expect other people to give me that if I cannot give myself that. I have to learn to fill my own cup instead of forcing others to fill mine for me. Every day I'm learning to align with this identity. I celebrate the person I'm becoming while loving, accepting, and forgiving the person I am today. I'm grateful for my journey and excited about my future.